Hello friends, this is Veer from Saraswati classes, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, as we know that chapter number 5 in standard 10th is going on. The name of the chapter is arithmetic progression, and we have discussed earlier on so many questions related with that. Even we have solved exercise 5.1, and even half of the exercise of 5.2 had already been solved out. Today we are going to take such 2 or 3 important questions which may be applicable or which may be asked in the examination for the point of view of exams. So let's start the question number 6. First of all, you have given in the book, you can see from the book, uh, check whether minus 50 is a term of arithmetic progression where you have given 8, 11, 8, 5 and 2. So an is there, that is the value what they have demanded, minus 150 in arithmetic progression, that is an, that is minus 150, then that is to be known as last term. And you have given arithmetic progression, that is 11, then 8, then 5 and then 2. Friends, we all know that A stands for first term, that is 11, D is there. To find the formula of D, A2 minus A1 is applicable. So get the difference, A2 is there 8 minus A1, 11, 8 minus 11, minus 3 is the common difference that we have to find it out. Put the formula of arithmetic progression, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now they have given you the answer, minus and just they want to know whether 150 comes in the arithmetic progression or not. If it comes, at what term, at what number of terms it will come, कौन से नंबर पे वो आएगा, that we have to find it out. So minus 150 is to be put down, a is 11 plus n is not given to you but d is there, that we have to find it out, minus 3, getting the multiplication, minus 3 1 ja minus 3 and 3 1 ja 3, minus minus plus 3, plus 11 plus 3, it will plus 14, and minus 3 is transferred on the other hand and 150 transferred on that side. You will see 3n is equal to 14 plus 150, that is 3n is equal to 164. Now friends, if you want to find the value which is missing one n, so how to find n? N is equal to, n is in the multiplication form of 3, so 3 जो है वो डिवाइड में चला जाएगा, 164 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, you will get n is equal to 54.66666. That means exactly we are not getting 150 on the same stage. So if we don't get exactly on the same, that's why it is to be said, no, 150 is not in the term of arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5 and 2. So if we get exactly 54, so it can be said जो 54th term होगा वो हमारा 150 होगा, हम ऐसा बोल सकते थे, but it is 154.67. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि एग्जैक्टली वो क्वेश्चन हमारे जो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन की सीरीज है उसमें वो इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता है, नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, आगे चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. जो सेकंड नंबर क्वेश्चन 7 नंबर, इट इज गिवन ओवर देयर, फाइंड द 31st टर्म ऑफ अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, हमें 31st टर्म फाइंड करनी है. इफ यू हैव गिवन 11th टर्म इज 38 एंड 16th टर्म 17, 3. तो 11th टर्म कितना है 38, 16th टर्म की वैल्यू कितनी है 73. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें आपको दी और थर्ड आपको फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज टू बी डन, ये 11th टर्म और 16th टर्म के ऊपर से हम क्या करेंगे, 3 बना कर इक्वेशन सेट करेंगे. देखिए आप अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का फॉर्मूला लगा दिया, ए एन स्टैंड फॉर 11, ए 11 की वैल्यू आपको दी है 38, ए इज नॉट गिवन, प्लस 11 माइनस 1 10 डी. सो इक्वेशन 1 इज देयर. सिमिलरली ए 16 को रखकर हम क्या करेंगे, ए 16 इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 डी. ए 16 का वैल्यू 73 है, ए नहीं दिया हुआ है, प्लस एन इन प्लेस ऑफ n we can put 16 minus 1. t is a common thing that you have to find it out. So 73 is equal to a plus 15d. Now you have two equations. They both are to be used by elimination method, deducting equation 1 from equation 2, as equation 2 is a bigger amount. So from 2 we will deduct first equation. So you can see why directly we are deducting, because they both of the equation have a common value, that is a, right? So if it is not given, suppose in one equation it is given 2a and in one equation it is 1a, then what is to be done to make them equal, we have to multiply by 2. right? But here it is not that kind of question. So what is to be done? They both are equal, so directly we will deduct from 1 to 2 or 2 to 1. So we have done the same thing and find the difference between both of them. You can see 35 is equal to 5d. And to find the value of d, what we do? Put 5 in the derivative side, we will get the difference as 7. D is there. Now what is to be done after d? So putting d is equal to 7 in equation 1. So 38 is equal to a plus 10d. This is your equation 1. And we will find to multiply with 10 into 7, 70. Transfer that value on the other hand. You will see 38 minus 70. So in such a way, a is there, that is minus 32. We have find it out. A is there, d is there. But what they have demanded? They have demanded a is equal to 31. Now how to find 31? So a plus n minus n, you have given all the data. A is there minus 32 plus 31 minus 1, because we want to find a 31. So n is there 31 as taken. 31 minus 1, तो 30 into 7. तो 30 का 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 210. So friends, a is there, that is minus 32, and the multiply of n minus 1d, that is 210. So getting the difference between both of them. So 210 minus 32, so it will be 178. But this is the value that we find out, what they have demanded for you to find the value of A31. Okay friends, I hope you got this one. Now the next one question that is quite it is in the light sections, maybe difficult to read. Let me adjust this one. Okay, fine, now it's okay. Similarly, question number 9 is given, 8 is given to you. An arithmetic progression consists of 50 terms. So n is there, that is 50. And over there you have given is third term is 12. 8 is there, that is 12. And the last term that you have given an is equal to 106. And what they have demanded to find out the value of A29. Then A29 is demanded over here. So what is the formula for arithmetic progression? An is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So an, the last one that you have given 106. Okay, and it is also given that there are total 50 terms. So 50 terms means what? So n is equal to 50, right? So it is not an, exactly this is A50. So a, that is not given to you, plus n, in place of n we will put 50 minus 1, and d stand for difference, but d is also not applicable over here. So 106 is equal to a plus 50 minus 1, 49d. So 106 is equal to a plus 49. This is our equation number 1 that we have to find it out. Okay. Now the second thing that you have to find, that here it is given a3 is equal to 12. So when you have given a3, so a3 का formula लगाओ, same formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. In place of n put a3, a plus 3 minus 1d. So it is 12 is equal to a plus 2d. So getting the equation number 2. The same what we have done the previous question, by using elimination method, we'll get 106 is equal to a plus 49d and 12 is equal to a plus 2d. So getting the difference between both of them, we will find a will cancel down, 106 minus 12 that will be 94, and 49 minus 2 is 47 d. So we want to find the d. So d is equal to for 94 divided by 47, getting the division. So d is equal to 2. Now we got the value of 2. Now putting that d is equal to 2 in equation 1 or 2, wherever you like, we'll put in equation 2. So we have done the same. 12 is equal to a plus 2d. So a plus 2d, d is 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 को ट्रांसफर करेंगे इस तरफ, तो it will be plus 4 है. So plus 4 इस तरफ आएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? minus 4. 12 minus 4, it will be a is equal to 8. The first term that we got, that is 8. But a is there, d is there. What they have demanded? They have demanded a29, means 29th term is demanded. A29 is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So 29th term is equal to a. A stands for a plus n. N stands 29. 29 minus 1, 28 into 2. So it will be 56. And a is also in the addition section. So 56 plus 8 will be 64. So this is all A29 value that we found, that is 64. Friends, this is all about 3 important questions of this chapter. We'll come with the next video. टिल देन बाय, सी यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।